So by now you've probably been on Instagram, Facebook, any sort of social media, and you've seen this kind of picture postcard area of Italy with all these multicoloured buildings on this cliffside overlooking the coastline. You know the place. This place. So we're here in the charming little town of Positano on the Amalfi coast. So we're here, we're going to be spending 3 days exploring the bars, the restaurants, the beach clubs, some of the roads around the area leading towards Amalfi and Praiano. What could possibly go wrong? So it's the reason why, to the left of me, the reason why you pay for a porter. It's worth every penny. It's worth every euro. Wow, very busy. A lot of people come for a day trip, but then they leave, and then it's a much quieter. Yes. Very nice bars, restaurants, shops. Kind of what you'd expect in Italy, really. Now, getting luggage up here would be a serious struggle. So we pay the porter 15 euros per bag to take it to our accommodation, which is further up the cliffside. Probably the best 15 euros you're going to spend. Wow. This is Positano town in full 360 glory. Can't believe there's actually cars coming down these roads. That is just crazy. I don't think it's two, I think it's all one-way streets. There's no way you can fit 2 cars either side on this road. That's just impossible. Wow. So, if you're coming here and you're expecting to drive, you might want to give it a second thought, because these roads are tiny. Get a scooter. You get a scooter pretty easy, or a bike, but not a car. Definitely not a car. Wow, this is unbelievable. And it's September. Still a really busy time for this part of the world. Steep roads. I think we're almost there. We're almost there. Feeling fitter already. I'm working up an appetite here. We have to stop for a beer. We have to stop for a Peroni pretty soon. And some clothes shopping. Here comes like a tour bus or something, which has gone past us. There's a fuel station. The Cheggio Malta. H24. Wow. Going up even further. It's never ending. Never ending windy roads of Positano. You can see above me, it just goes up even further. Just mad. Just incredible views now. Looking over the town. It's pretty amazing. What an amazing place to come. It's just really, really hard work getting around. And now, obviously, if you want to go back down to the beach, then we have to obviously walk all the way back down. And then to get back to the accommodation, we've got to come all the way back up again. Oh, I can see a car park down there. Wow. Climbing even further. Crossing the road. Crossing the single lane road through the middle of Positano. Where could it be, I wonder? Where could the accommodation be? It's around here somewhere. around the corner. We've got to go around the corner. Thankfully, we only have to do this once. So I think we're here. I think we're at the accommodation, or the entrance to the accommodation. Wow. Yeah, good. Feeling fitter already. Could run a marathon now. We're in training. Yeah. If you want to get fit, come to Positano. Wow, more steps. I've not been counting the steps, but there's quite a lot. Wow. So we just passed the porters. They've already been. So the porters have already dropped off our luggage. That is a hell of a good service, that is. If you've got an oxygen tank, that would be really good. Fantastic. I'm just not fit enough. Yeah. If you're in training for a marathon, any sort of endurance, go on holiday to Positano. Wow. I think we're almost there. Go through here. Hello? No? Went through the wrong way. Oh, I can hear some voices. I think they're up here. I got a bit lost. There we are. I got a bit lost. I made it. I made it. Thank you. Here we are. Okay, so we can sunbathe. We can do some sunbathing. Ah, that's a really nice view, actually. Look at that. Yeah. What time is sunset? About 7? About 7 p.m. Fantastic. And all the lights come on and everything. Fantastic. Which town is that in the distance? That's Praiano. Okay, yeah. Nice.
From here we have a bus. If you
Oh, really?
there,
Okay.
Internal bus.
Yeah.
Little bus back.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. This is our amazing little room we have here in our accommodation. Looks really nice. Lots of places to hang things, lots of places to put stuff. What's really unique is this shower unit that's right out in the main room next to the bed. I've never seen that before. It's quite a unique thing. It's a little bit kinky, but yeah, it's quite unique. Thankfully, the toilet is in a separate room with the bidet, and we have the sink and everything, so that's all separate. But the shower unit is literally next to the bed. I've never seen that before, but makes it quite unique, I guess. What's really, really cool though, we're really pleased with, is this kind of fully stocked fridge that we've got here. So we've got some Nastro Zero beer, we've got some San Pellegrino, some Coca-Cola, we've got some other water, yogurt, milk, limoncello. So that's completely fully stocked, so that's free for us to use. They're not going to charge extra for that. So that's really good as well. It's quite a welcome surprise, I have to say. So all in all, quite pleased with the accommodation. And we've got a really, really amazing view as well. Look out the window here, and that's our view across Positano. So looking forward to going on a little wander around the town. Feel like we could do a little bit more exercise. My knees aren't quite strong enough yet, so I need to build up some muscles. having a quick beer in some champagne glasses. It's pretty cool. You know, I'm not going to moan too much. This is our view across the little town of Positano. I get up here and get a little bit of a better view. Probably not the best view in the place, but still pretty amazing, I've got to say. We're going to have a little walk around, see what's going on, see what else we can find. It's quite an interesting place, I have to say. But hard work. It's going to keep you fit.